The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
अर्ज किया है, हम तो अकेले ही चले थे जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए, कारवां बनता गया। द फैमिली किचन के इस कारवां में मैं शिल्पा आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। हेलो, हाय, नमस्कार, आदाब। In today's episode, we'll learn a very exciting chicken recipe with a quirky twist, and we'll also have an expert chef who'll share his knowledge with us. So stay tuned. You're watching The Family Kitchen, your perfect recipe of love and food, brought to you by lifestyle partner Danube Home, hygiene partner Cool & Cool, and associate sponsor Nika Electronics and Home Appliances.
Hi, my name is Preet, and this is my brother-in-law Chetan, and this is my sister-in-law's daughter Jia. Yes, we do that. Mostly it's on weekends.
We get this opportunity on weekend to calm herself, to calm her and help her out with the cooking as well. And it's fun when we all cook together.
It's a pleasure, and you bond together. I feel that makes you complete as a family. So it gives a lot of pleasure, and basically we bond together. We'll, have a chit chat, which in today's busy world, we don't get to spend time with each other so much. It's the Sindhi curry. It's our patent, this thing which we keep, it's passed on from our grandmothers to mothers to us. That's one thing which is very patent. And apart from that, yes, chicken is a must in our house.
I think it was Diwali. We all were sitting and cooking together, and he decided to make something on his own, and we had no clue what was happening.
Yeah.
He decided to almost burned down the kitchen because he wanted to surprise her because she was very tired that day.
Yeah.
So, yeah, since then he hasn't been allowed to cook alone.
Actually turned on the gas stove on with something on it, I don't know. And I just went out on a call with a friend of mine. So, so those calls go long. So, the kitchen was about to get blasted. The gas smell was all around the house. So that's where she heard it, like the noise and the smell of the gas.
Exactly.
So she just rushed in the
It was
kitchen.
like...
And yeah, we all were saved that day. Yeah, sometimes it happens, like if she has made some dal or something, or some chicken dish, she might forget to put salt in that, or extra salt sometimes. So, we are in a rush, and we know she has been working hard the whole day. So at that time, we can't just tell her, like we just can't tell her कि आपने खाना खराब बनाया है. And so that's why, like, we have to eat it, like we'll put some sauce in that or something, mixture, chatpata something, just not to get that bad taste of that less salt or more salt. And we have to keep her happy as well.
I'm the boss. They're not allowed
We
to.
have to stay at home.
I'm the boss.
Street
food.
In Mumbai is known for its chatpata spices and the street food and extra tikha that we all ask to get in.
Yeah.
So that's what the spiciness which we miss. The dosa making on the stall, the vada pav,
The vada pav,
cheese vada pav,
and
the
then
butter
that
vada pav.
butter smell, it's just wow. And you don't get that over here. We are also health conscious. We hardly get to see those kind of places. It's like if it's a big festival like Diwali or something, we do have a puja. So we have that, and at home we make some sweets. So we have that, and then it's not like only us, but it's like even we have our relatives, our families, our friends who come together, and we have a big get together. And as a jing bang, we sit, we play, we have food, we bond over other things like, which you keep missing long time. We'll be making orange chicken. This is one dish which my mom keeps making, and I've been eating because my grandmother used to make the same.
And we've been eating this, and we love this dish. That's why we're making it.
Yeah, I have not seen it outside anywhere. The best part is it has that lovely tangy flavor, that chatpata flavor which they all enjoy. So it's spicy at the same time. It's sweet, it's sour, like it's a mix.
Chetan, Shrey, Preet, Jia, hi and a warm welcome to the family kitchen.
Hi.
Hello.
So what are you guys going to make for us today?
So today we'll be making the orange chicken.
Orange chicken?
Yeah.
Never heard of that before.
Yeah, that's the main thing. You will see it once we make it. And
Wow.
with that, we are making crispy spinach and some veg noodles.
Yum, sounds amazing. So guys, right now we're heading in for a break, but we'll be right back. Stay tuned. You're watching The Family Kitchen, your favorite recipe of love and food.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Welcome back to The Family Kitchen, your favorite recipe of love and food. Brought to you by lifestyle partner Danube Home, hygiene partner Cool & Cool, and associate sponsor Nikai Electronics and Home Appliances. I'm Shilpa, and just now we're about to make the orange chicken for you. Sounds exotic, right? So get your pens and paper ready and let's see how these guys work their magic.
Okay, so here is the boneless chicken. And to this, we'll be adding some soya sauce.
Okay?
And this is some ginger garlic.
Right.
Maybe half a teaspoon of ginger garlic. Some corn flour.
Corn flour.
Yeah. And a bit of maida. We'll just mix all this.
So this is like a marinade?
Yeah, an instant marinade.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Preet, hygiene always comes first, and I'm glad you're using the Cool & Cool hand wash. Does it feel soft on your hands?
Yes, it's quite soft and I just love the smell.
I think this Cool & Cool tissue will also be nice to wipe your hands with.
Yes. Now you see it's all mixed properly.
Right.
So now we'll just fry it out.
Okay.
Jia, would you like to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the family that cooks together, the family that gets together in the kitchen grows together. That's what we say. So how old are you, Jia?
I'm 15.
And do you like cooking?
I do. I love cooking with her. She's an amazing chef.
Okay, this looks quite nice, quite interesting. So is this chicken boiled or is it a raw chicken?
No, we just took the raw chicken.
Okay.
And then you just mix all this and you fry it out.
And what is this? What is special about this recipe, Preet? How did you come up with this?
It's just that my mom, she makes, so from her I've just got it through.
Okay, so it's actually passed on in the family
Yeah,
to
yeah.
another generation. So you're the
Exactly.
generation next, and I guess also these youngsters are going to follow suit.
Exactly, and they also love it, to have this.
So how long do we have to fry it? Like, do we have to fry it to a crisp or just light frying?
Just normal, not really crisp, but it should be a bit brown.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
So Shrey, I believe कि आपको hygiene और cleanliness का बहुत ख्याल है.
Yes, obviously.
And you want to help out, right? So why don't you just clean with this Cool & Cool kitchen towel?
Thank you.
That's sweet. Well, this is so good that just one kitchen towel was enough to clean up the entire space. That's the magic of Cool & Cool.
That's really nice. Now Shilpa, as you see, I feel the chicken is done.
Right.
It's brown, so we can just remove it. Can you give me a kitchen towel, please?
Yeah, this is a Cool & Cool kitchen towel. I think it will be very helpful to soak some of the extra oil also.
Exactly. So as you can see, now it's got a nice brown color.
So Preet, what are we going to do next?
I just thought since the oil is hot,
Yeah.
why not let's fry the spinach also?
Sure. Crackling spinach.
Yeah, we can just add the whole thing. And I feel I need to towel you again now to give me another cool towel.
No trouble at all. It's a pleasure. Well, the spinach is nicely done. What's next?
Now we'll make the noodles first.
Okay. So how much oil do we need? Just a
like,
drizzle.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
So to this, we'll add some cabbage first.
Okay.
इसको हम हल्का सा सौटे करेंगे. We don't need to do it more. अब आप इसमें अपना कैरेट और थोड़ा सा शिमला मिर्ची. We
Okay.
have just put a bit of bell pepper.
So it's like a kind of a stir fry that you're
Yeah, a
doing.
bit of a stir fry, and I'll just add a bit of salt to it. Basically, we add salt first because it cooks faster. So now we'll just add the noodles to it.
Okay. You know, like even I have a 17-year-old daughter, and I just love it when, you know, I come home sometimes and she gives me a surprise. She makes some pasta for me. It
Wow.
may, even though it may not taste that good, but just the thought and the feeling that my daughter has stepped into the kitchen and she's made this
Done
with all her
something.
love, it's something else.
Like also when we had we just had a Valentine's Day. So this girl, she made us small cupcakes and all, and she got us.
Oh, so
So
sweet.
it was really nice.
Sweetheart.
That thought itself, you know, and the way she decorates and she gives it to you. So it was really good.
Yeah.
So now we'll do this. We'll just add all these sauces.
Okay.
So I'll be using some soya sauce.
Some green chili sauce.
Yeah, and little bit of red. I hope you like spicy.
I love spicy. वो खाना ही क्या जिसमें स्पाइस ना हो, फिर तो
वही,
मतलब हॉस्पिटल फूड लगता है, you know.
Exactly, मुझे वो तड़का चाहिए, like you know, वो लगना चाहिए मुंह में. It should hit you. So now, as we finish with the noodles,
Yeah.
now let us do the crispy spinach.
Right.
And as Chetan knows how to do it, so you like to do it, Chetan?
For sure.
Wow. Yeah. Go for it, Chetan.
I'll put some oil in it,
Okay.
some garlic,
Okay.
and I'll put some spinach.
Okay.
Shreya, can you add some salt, please? Yeah, that's it.
And 1 tablespoon of sugar.
We're adding a teaspoon of sugar in that.
Teaspoon, yeah.
It has to be little salty and little sugar taste of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
As you see, our noodles are ready. Our crispy spinach is ready. Now, only thing is left is we'll do the chicken. We'll coat the chicken and then we are done.
Okay.
We'll add some oil to this. And first, we'll put some ginger garlic.
Okay.
Just say half a teaspoon. So, I'm just sauteing it a bit just to get the flavor basically. To this, I will just add some broccoli. And again, as I said, I'll be putting some salt so it will leave a bit of water. I'll cook faster. So as you see, this will be just halka sa. We just have to be a bit like it just gets done.
Yeah.
To this, then we'll add the mushrooms. So we'll just saute the mushrooms also. So as you see now, even the mushrooms are done. To this, we'll add the chicken.
And I'm just waiting, like, you know, for the icing on the cake, they say, or the
Yeah.
best part of the recipe, because it's called orange chicken.
So that now you will come to know why it is called the orange
yes,
chicken.
sir.
Yeah.
I can't wait to know what is the secret.
So now I'll be just adding all the sauces.
Okay.
First we'll put some soya sauce, some chili sauce. And lastly but not the least, some Szechuan sauce. As this will give a good flavor to our dish. Now I'll add the bell peppers also.
Okay. Why don't you ask one of them to also help you in this?
They are going to help me in all that now.
In the garnishing?
Yes, in the garnishing. And now I have to add, now as I said, the main ingredient, you can see it's
So, Chetan,
Yeah, I'll do that.
please do the honors.
The orange
Chetan.
juice
Yes, please add some orange juice
ingredient.
to this. Some more. Yeah, that's it. Now you can smell. See, you will get that nice orange tangy
A
smell.
lot of aromas are wafting in the room, and
Yeah. Now to this, I'll just add some corn flour slurry.
okay.
So that will give
Babes,
it
why don't you
a
just pass it to your
bit
mom?
of thickness. That's it. As you can see, it's getting thick. To this, I'll add some peanuts and some sesame. Jia, can you please pass me? Put some. Yeah, that's it, that's it.
Here we have some sesame seeds.
Yeah, put some sesame also. That's it. So as you can see now, it's getting thicker.
Yeah.
And now we'll just cook it for another 2-3 minutes. Till then, Shilpa, Shrey will show you how to make the flamingo punch.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay, so for this, we need soda, sharbat, lemon, sugar, and some grapes. So to start it off, I'm just gonna take my glass and I'm gonna take a lemon, a slice of lemon, and I'm just gonna surround it with the juice After that's done, now I'm just going to take my glass and I'm just going to coat the rim with some sugar. So now that's done, I'm going to add my sharbat. That's done, and I'm going to add my soda. And now I'm just going to take my small spoon and I'm going to mix all that up.
Well, we have a cool and cool kitchen towel,
Yes.
so don't worry about the mess. It's going to be gone in a jiffy.
And now just to top this whole drink off, I'm just going to take a grape and just slice it off a little from the bottom. And there we go, a flamenco punch is ready.
Oh, amazing. Good job. So shall we say cheers?
Yes.
And I think the chicken also should be done by now. Let's check it out. Come. Voila. Here it is. Looks amazing. Thank you so much. And Shrey, a special thanks to you for making this awesome mocktail.
Thank
I
you
think
so much.
especially for Ramadan, this is a perfect cooler.
Yeah, it's very refreshing, I must say.
Now it's time to learn something off the cookbook from Chef Veenu of Carnival by Tresson. And in the meantime, why don't you guys take a short break? See you soon, only on The Family Kitchen, your favorite recipe of love and food.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Hi guys, this is Shilpa welcoming you back to The Family Kitchen, your favorite recipe of love and food. I'm sure you all enjoyed the orange chicken recipe, and now we have Chef Veenu with us, and let's see what's cooking next. So Chef, what are you making now?
So we'll be making a tariwala chicken.
Right.
It's going to be a brothy chicken.
Let's get
Lines.
started.
Yeah. We'll be adding some ghee first into the pan. So now we can add some garlic that is
Okay.
sliced. Can also add some ginger along with that. We'll add the onions here. The onion should turn brown.
Okay.
Now the onion is translucent, so we'll add some green chili now.
That's nice.
Then we have some powder spices here. So we have coriander powder, about 2 teaspoons. A spoon of chili powder
Wow. That's a good one.
and some turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. And slightly mix it up. You have to make sure it doesn't get burned. This is the time we can add the tomatoes. Then the tomatoes will leave out some water. We are going to treat this dish like a soup. So the chicken will cook in the gravy for a long time. Then we remove the chicken from the gravy. We'll shred it and we'll throw the bones away, and we only use the chicken meat. And we strain this gravy out and we'll use that as a broth, like a soup. Okay, the broth is ready. We'll add some potato and carrot. The carrot will give a slight sweeter taste. Also, the potato will give some starch, a slightly thick broth. Yeah.
Okay.
So the broth is almost ready. We'll simmer the chicken into it. So I have a spring chicken. So the chicken will go into the broth now. And let the chicken simmer in the broth for almost 45 minutes, 1 hour time. So we simmer the chicken for almost 45 minutes, 50 minutes. Okay. Then I remove the chicken. I shred it into small pieces. What we will do now is we just saute the chicken along with some vegetables.
Okay.
We'll sprinkle a little bit of turmeric powder. A pinch of salt. We already added salt into the broth, but still we have to check whether the seasoning is right. Then we can again season it right. So the chicken is getting crispy. Meantime, we can add some carrot and snow peas. That is, cut it into juliennes that can go on top. So here we have Chinese cabbage. So we are actually just wilting the vegetable. We are not cooking it through. We are just wilting the vegetables. Yeah, that's done. We keep this aside and we bring back the broth and just do the final seasoning. So here we have some cream. That cream can go in.
Wow.
So here we have some fennel powder. This is the finishing touch. You don't have to cook it after this. So you just add some fennel powder, some garam masala.
Okay.
That is just the finishing touch and you are done. Along with this, idiyappam will go very well. The steam hoppers, like a noodle. You can make the idiyappam with the same gadget that we use for faluda.
Yeah.
We can plate the food now.
The broth is already ready. The idiyappams are in our Nikkei electronic rice cooker, and I think it's time to take them out.
The dish is ready.
Well, I think we can also clean up the mess with our Cool and Cool kitchen towels.
True.
Thank you guys for being on the Family Kitchen.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you, Chef Veenu, for your expert tips and wonderful recipes.
Thank you so much.
So guys, as a token of our appreciation, we have a whole load of surprises for you. From Nikkei Electronics and Home Appliances, you get a Bluetooth speaker, you get an electronic rice cooker, and a 3-in-1 juicer blender mincer. And of course, as we say, hygiene comes first. So from Cool and Cool, we are going to give you a wonderful gift hamper. And of course, last but not the least, from Danube Home, you get a gift voucher. Well guys, the surprises don't end here because Chef Veenu also has something for you.
It was a great time with you guys and I really enjoy cooking with you. Also, I want you to invite all of you to Carnival for a meal experience. Please come down to Carnival Bed Restaurant in DIFC and be with us and enjoy the meal. That will be a great experience for me to
Wow,
serve
we
now.
will definitely be there.
Simply amazing. Thank you once again, guys.
Thank you.
So friends, it's time to bid adieu, but I'm sure all you guys really enjoyed today's episode. We learned a lot of interesting and varied recipes, and I'm sure you're eager to see me again in the next episode. So this is Shilpa signing off. See you soon only on The Family Kitchen, your perfect recipe of love and food. Brought to you by lifestyle partner Danube, home hygiene partner Cool and Cool, and associate sponsor Nikkei Electronics and Home Appliances. Goodbye, namaskar, adab.